Hello. It is very much important to know how much time are we going to require if we are going to undergo certain activity. Similarly, if we first visit the dentist, the most important question that we ask is what is the time required or how much duration, how many visits I have to come to this dental clinic for finishing my treatment. In the similar way, for straightening up your crooked teeth, for lining them up and for the beautification of your smile, there is certain time period that is very much required and is important. So, it is good that we, before proceeding to any procedures or any orthodontic treatment, we know how much time are we going to require for this treatments. So come, in this video, we are going to have a look at what duration will you or your beautification of smile will require. On that basis, you can analyze on what treatment are you going to opt for or you're not going to opt for any treatment. So come, let us have a look at this video.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah to get tips and tricks related to oral health.
Hello and very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, as I told you that we are today going to discuss on the duration or time period required for the orthodontic procedures. Also, if we before starting up the procedure know the duration that are we going to require for completing our case, it helps us to mentally be stable and avoid quitting up of the treatment. Because if we are being told that you will be finishing the treatment or you are under some effect of or you have some thought process in your mind which has decided, okay, we are going to finish it in 6 months, but you are going to take almost 2 years to finish the treatment, you are obviously going to get irritated and deciding to stop or quit the treatment. So before you proceed, know what is right for you. So as we know that every case is different and unique and it is treated in a different way. So the time duration may vary a little bit here and there, but most of the times on an average, I am going to tell you what is the time duration that is being required. And you can on an average tentatively decide what is the time duration. Also remember the time duration may vary according to the quality and the quantity of your bone. That is, if your bone is soft, then the teeth movement becomes easier and you will take less time. If the quality of your bone is hard or the teeth are difficult, they are stronger to move, then you are going to require a little longer duration. Your age is also a factor. We all know that orthodontic treatment can be undergone in any age. There is no age restriction as such. But yes, then what differs here is your treatment plan and the duration what you are going to require. At the younger age, that is around 10 to 18 years of age, your teeth will have faster ability to move and lesser chances of getting relapsed. So the treatment will be done at a faster speed. Then next is the older age. At this older age, what happens is your teeth become strong, the bone becomes hard, then the teeth movement becomes difficult and hence you will take a longer duration. There are n number of factors that do affect your treatment plan. Now moving towards the duration of the treatment, the first thing is, let us take that is generalized spacing in teeth. If there are gaps present in the teeth as shown in the images, then the movement of the teeth becomes easier and your treatment might just get finished in 1 year. If there is mild protrusion, that is your upper teeth are placed a little ahead with no changes in the jaw required, or there are chances of mild crowding, that is they are bit of overlapping, there is little bit of less space that is there available. So in this case also a year or maybe a little less might also be required. If your case is a no extraction case, that is you don't have to remove any of your teeth and your teeth will be straightened up, then you might require 1 or 2-3 months on over it. So 1 to 2 months, 3 months on it. Now your case is going to be an extraction case or a non-extraction case is going to be decided by your orthodontist, and obviously it is supported by some x-rays. So this will be discussed with your orthodontist and to be told to you. Now if the case is an extraction case, then you might take 1.5 years to a little more. Maybe I will say 19 to 20 months. If there is a little more of protrusion, there are a few jaw changes that are required, or there is a severe crowding that is seen, there are a lot of teeth changes that are required. The case is not mild and you need a lot of changes, then your case might just get completed in 18 to 20 months, that is 1.5 years or a little more. Your treatment might run for 2 to 3 years also if there are certain jaw changes or jaw pattern changes that you are supposed to undergo. Like if your mandible, that is a lower jaw, is placed behind, you have to pull it forward. If it is placed a lot of forward and you have to push it back, there are certain surgeries that you have to do. Also in the conditions in which you have impacted teeth. Impacted teeth means the teeth which are stuck inside the jaw, like inside the bone as shown in the picture. Now if this tooth is stuck inside and you have to pull it out, get it to its original position, or you have to get it into that perfect smile, it has to be get into the perfect position, then also you might require a little longer period. Then there are cross bites, deep bites, underbites. All this might require 2 years. And remember, with this 2 years of braces, there is more of 9 months to 10 months. Might be permanent retention period that is required. That is, you need to wear retainers. So if you are going anything with metal braces, ceramic braces, or even aligners, invisible aligners I am speaking of, then also retainers is very much important. Why is retainers important? I'm going to make a video on it. Do definitely watch that. So this 9 months, in that the benefit of it is that the retainers are removable. So you can remove and enjoy your social activities, or when you're going out, chilling with your friends, going for some important meetings, then you can remove these retainers and then come back home and wear them again. So they are removable. But the braces that you're going to wear, they are, if you are metal or ceramic or lingual, then this type of braces, they are going to be fixed in your mouth. Only the invisible braces are going to be removable in nature. But the duration for it is 22 to 22 hours of wearing is required. So all this information about invisible braces has been discussed in my previous video. If you have missed on it, do definitely watch it. I'm sharing the link up. Okay, now there are other factors that also decide the duration of this braces. That is, the first is how you maintain it properly. If there are frequent breakages that are happening, your wire is going breaking again and again, then also the duration will get prolonged, because frequent breakage will loosen up the force or the pressure that is applied on the teeth. And once that is loosened up, you get landed up to zero. You have to again restart from zero. So it becomes really difficult for the orthodontist also, and you are at loss because your duration is going to increase. So make sure that you maintain it properly, you brush it, and you have all the food restrictions that have been told to you. I have made a video on what are the food restrictions, sharing the link up here. The second disadvantage or the prolong of duration from your side, it can happen if you're missing on the appointments. Like you have to, at many times, if metal ceramic braces are there, then you have to visit your orthodontist every month or every 2 months. You have one appointment. For invisible braces, you might just have within 4 or 6 months. So this frequent appointments are required for increasing the pressure or tightening your braces. So if that is missed, you lose on and you reduce the force or the pressure applied. You definitely don't get back to zero, as that happens in the breakage, but yes, the force is reduced. Hence that can also prolong the duration. With these things, you should remember that, as I told you, every case is different and unique. Before you jump into any treatment, it is very much important that you ask your orthodontist on how much time are you going to require. 1 or 2 months here and there is fine, but you should be mentally prepared to know how much duration is going to be required. This will avoid quitting of the habit. Also, feel free to ask any questions related to your braces or any dental queries if you have here in the comment section below. I am Dr. Mansi Shah, your oral health consultant and a practicing dentist in Pune. If you are liking my work and my videos, do please like, comment and share these videos among all the friends and family members. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Press the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get notified about it. Many of you do watch the videos but are not subscribing. Please help this educational videos to reach to maximum people and help them to have a great, healthy and a happy smile. I wish you all a very bright smile. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay out of it. Thank you.